I will make two groups, and in both groups there will be four members. In both groups there will be four members. Two will be girls and two will be boys. Boys will come this side, and look here, there is a balloon. But there are two balloons this side also, and there are two balloons this side also. And this side there is a needle. There is a needle. And there is a black thread, a piece of black thread. And there is a piece of black thread this side also. What have you to do? You have to do one thing, that both members of both teams will come here on their sides, and after coming, first both members of a team had to blow up the balloon, and this one also, they have to also blow up the balloon first, and after blowing up, you have to keep the balloon after tying, and then we have to thread the needle. Then we have to thread the needle. This one is the game today. In this all activity, it will take 5 minutes only. In 5 minutes, you have 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, you have to complete this game. You have to complete your work. After 5 minutes, time will be over. Are you ready to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First from the girls team, Gudiya Kumari. You will be there. Anjali Kumari. Anjali Soni, you have to come. I have already explained you that what you have to do. And from this side, Deepak will come from there. And what's your name? Ashraf Ansari will come. And now I am judge here. I will judge. You have to watch what you have to do. Go back a little bit. I have already explained you that what you have to do, and everyone has to listen what I am speaking before you, what I am saying before you. These all activities we are doing only for learning English language. If we shall involve in these all type of activities, then we can get many of the words. Which words we don't know while speaking, those words we can know with the help of this one. Today we have to know about thread. The Hindi meaning of thread is dhaga. The Hindi meaning of needle is sui. The Hindi meaning of balloon is gubara. The Hindi meaning of blow up means fulana. The pump up means also fulana. Thread the needle means dhaga lagana. Like this we have to know the words, and with the help of this one we can get benefit in learning area. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to watch the time. Okay, now it is going to 3:57. 5 minutes I will give you for doing this work. Okay, start. Let it be fall, no problem. Let it be fall, you do your work. And you do your work, no problem. Okay. Clap. Boys team had on this game. Before your time you have done your work.